Usually takes about 20, maybe 30 seconds. So I'm going to start refreshing. And oh my god, you gotta be kidding! Alright, guys, looks like the operation went through. Oh god, so that was huge, and this video is not financial advice, it's just my personal experience, and you don't have to repeat it. Hey everyone, my name's Arthur, and I've been working with crypto since I was 19, and right now you could say it's my prime era. I can afford all of this thanks to cloud mining. Even people who've been in the crypto and DeFi market for a long time started asking me how I make money every day, how I mine online, and I watched a ton of different videos, picked the best guides, and guys, by the way, here I can pause the video and copy the link. Here I tap start, and basically this is my Telegram channel. And I want to remind you guys that I'm just sharing my personal experience. And now I just go right here. Give me just a sec. And I'm inside the cloud mining app. Okay, let me choose Bitcoin here. And now I'm going to paste my wallet address. I'm going to go ahead to the section. Give me just a moment here. And I'm going to drop it right here. Next. And I choose how much I'm going to mine. I selected 1/10 of a Bitcoin. As you can see, the mining process has started. Give me a second, guys. Come on. Nice. And come on. So far, so good and nice. Okay, so the platform requests a network fee to continue the process. No big deal. Give me just a sec. So here's the address. I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go back to the wallet. Go here. I'm going to drop it right here. And here I'm going to enter 1,000th of a Bitcoin. Now I tap this blue button. And yeah, as you can see, it's very simple. So transaction sent. Now we wait for the system to respond. I'm going to wait. A notification should come in. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh. Usually takes about 20, maybe 30 seconds. So I'm going to start refreshing. And oh my god, you gotta be kidding! Alright, guys, looks like the operation went through. Oh god, so that was huge. And so guys, drop a comment if anyone decides to try this method, and bye everyone.